Hi guys.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make fantastic vegan mayo with using only a couple ingredients. I know I have full table of ingredients, but that's just because I'm gonna show you which one not to use, okay? This recipe literally changed my life. Prior to being vegan, I loved mayonnaise and I really missed it. And all the mayonnaise and whatnot, they're not really good. Um, then I discovered really good ones, but they're super expensive. So I'm gonna show you how to make it for really cheap, and they taste exactly the same. This is one of the recipes that I show my non-vegan friends and family, and they're just like mind blown because it's really good. All right, let's start. So first of all, you need chickpea can. Okay, this is pois chiche in French. Chickpeas. So you need this can. By the way, if you want, check out what to do with the leftover chickpeas. I'm gonna put the video link somewhere here on how to do a different recipe with the chickpeas, because we going to need only the water from the chickpeas. So we're gonna use this kind of mixer. You can also use normal hand mixer. If you're going to use that thing, you want to use something like this, bowl like this, not super flat on the bottom, but also not like steep all the way. This would be perfect, I think. Okay, but we're not gonna use it. I know how to do it with this one, but it's the same. You can use it. So first of all, we need 3 tablespoons of chickpea water. You might want to try to double the recipe. I do not recommend that because I tried it a couple times and always it's just not thick enough. So if you want to have more mayonnaise, just do it first time, then do it one more time, and so on. Okay, so I have 3 of those. Now I need 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard or any other mustard. I like to put a little bit more because we just like mustard mayonnaise right here. Okay. Very good. We need 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using low sodium salt. Pro tip: if you have access to black salt, aka kala namak, use that. We just run out, so I don't. It smells just like eggs, so it's gonna make your mayonnaise a little more eggy. So I recommend that. We don't have any more, so we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And this is one of the things that I want to tell you: don't use the fancy vinegars. You don't want to use apple vinegar. You don't want to use I don't know, plum vinegar, rice vinegar, because they have this very strong smell of apples or rice or whatever. You want to use the cheapest, most basic white vinegar that smells like nothing, just sour smell. Okay, so you want to use that one. And
How many?
you want to use 1, and then you want to use then you want to use 1 tablespoon of the pickle juice. If you don't have one or the other, you can. If you don't have the vinegar, you can use 2 pickle juice. If you don't have the pickle juice, you can use 2 of vinegar. Okay, now you want to use 250 milliliters of oil. Again, you don't want to use fancy oil. You don't want to use olive oil. Okay, you don't want to use. We have here really nice sunflower oil that smells great. It's great in the salads. It smells like sunflowers. You don't want to use that. You want to use cheapest oil available that has no smell, no nothing. It's pretty much the frying oil, okay? So this one you want to have 250 milliliters, which is around 8 ounces, if I'm correct. Yeah, 8 OZ. I think that's ounces. All right, 250 milliliters. You want to put it down there. Oh yeah, and you want to add one more tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, you can use the fancy one or whatever. It's just for the flavor a little bit. All right, and that's it. Now you're pretty much done. Now you just want to mix it all together. If you would have the hand mixer, you just put it down there and press it. That's done. We have this one. Okay. Okay. So look at it. Nice and firm mayonnaise.
Ooh.
Good?
Yeah.
So takes maybe a minute without me talking. You can add salt, you can add pepper in it as you wish. What I'm gonna do with this batch is that we are almost run out without sriracha. So I'm gonna take the mayonnaise and put it into the sriracha.
All the mayonnaise?
Yes, all the mayonnaise. And I don't know, maybe I should have some like kind of tool for it.
You want?
Yeah, we do have, right?
There.
There? Okay, anyway. I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. We're gonna speed this up.
What?
No. God damn it. Okay. Voila. Sriracha mayo, homemade. Okay, now you might be wondering what we're gonna do with all the chickpeas, because we have a full can of chickpeas and we don't know what to do with them, right? Wrong. Click the link right here or anywhere, and I'll show you how to make chickpea nuggets and chickpea popcorn with the leftover chickpeas. All right. Thanks for watching this fast recipe, and see you in the chickpea one.